Decay 1. This is Papangu with Lampe Ray. Our obsession this week with all things Latino continues with Papangu, a 6-piece plus from the coastal town of Hoa Pessoa on the east coast of Brazil. Lampe Ray is the band's second full-length following their acclaimed debut, Holoceno, in 2021. Albeit metal fans that don't mind a little Wurlitzer and congas folded into the mix should have a blast unraveling these 9 Portuguese parallelograms in the form of 9 songs, 6 of which eclipse the 6-minute mark.
It's a concept record based on the story of Virgilino Ferreira da Silva, a notorious leader of bandits called Cancaceiros, known for clashing with police and even the military as they looted and pillaged, sometimes taking over entire towns for a while. While the last album recalled traces of Neurosis and Hawkwind underneath the unpronounceable instruments and jazz leanings, this one seemed more steeped in Soft Machine and Crimson. But Papangu shows off a gravitas all their own on this Renaissance metal opus, and it seems there's no instrument this bunch can't fold into the recipe.
The bass line that opens up, Biota. Full title translated to English, Biota, incident in the baptismal font of the chapel of Born Jesus dos Officios.
That's a mouthful there, yeah.
Kicks off with an absolutely sinister pulse from bass player Marco Mayer that wanders through atonal guitar noodlings, topped by the dreadful vocal scowl of singer-guitarist Ray Acoli. The juxtaposition of the doomy pulse with the very Robert Fripp-esque guitar bloops and clean piano melodies offers a, till now, unheard approach to musical brutality. Weird as fuck, but we love it, kiddos.
Maracutea starts off with some ass-shaking drum and piano workouts reminiscent of Santana in spots, advancing to jazzy chords, grooving on a downright impossible time signature from drummer Victor Alves, who's also listed as playing the triangle. So you gotta have that, right? It's a sound that steps into jazz prog hell 1 minute and downright danceable fare the next. But the one I keep coming back to is the hypnotic riffarama of Offerenda no Algadar. Accioli's clean vocals, the perfect foil to ever-building drama that bounces along on dissonant hiccups 1 minute and yacht rot adjacent noodlings the next. This is quite an album to digest. I count at least 11 musicians involved in the project based on their Bandcamp page. 3 paragraphs in, and I haven't even tried translating the lyrics yet. I'll leave that for you guys to tackle. But in the meantime, definitely start getting your head around Lampe Ray and start some hardcore horizon-broadening stat. Ciao, baby. This song is called Offerenda no Algadar.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.